2 eggs and 2 cups of baking soda.
Elia, 2 cups of baking soda?
A little bit.
Little bit, yes, okay.
Just a little bit of baking soda. And 2 cups of sugar.
No, sugar is not 2 cups. Huh?
Salt.
This is sugar, yes, but how much is sugar? It's 2 tablespoons of sugar.
And this is flour.
Yeah, all-purpose flour. It's 2 cups.
Okay. And now we're gonna make it.
Okay.
I forgot to tell you about the oil.
Okay, both of you already wash your hands?
Yeah, we washed our hands.
Very good.
Now we're gonna cut the egg.
Okay.
My turn. I did it. My turn.
Yes, Amelia.
It's
Now Elia's turn.
It's getting yellow.
Okay, now you can add what you want to add. First, Amelia will add something. Elia, you carry on with mixing, okay?
I want to add salt.
It's not salt, it's sugar.
I want to add sugar. But what speed will we put sugar?
Okay, yeah, okay, that's fine.
We're going to put sugar. Let's mix the sugar. Now. Now we're going to put the baking soda already. Now we have to mix it. Next is we need milk and oil.
Okay, that's fine. So, Elia, once you are adding, so Amelia can mix.
Okay. Okay, we got oil. The next thing is baking soda. Milk. Do that for me. Whoa. Wow. It's white now. It smells just like pancake. Okay.
What you are adding now? Flour.
Flour.
Yeah, okay. Mix, mix, mix.
Wow. So many flour.
Very good.
Wow, look at the flour. Amelia spilled flour. Monkey.
Okay, mix, make it smooth. I will help you, okay?
It looks,
I will help you over
it looks
there.
like a cake. It looks like a cake.
So you know how to make the cake.
Yeah, but it looks like a cake.
Next video we will make the cake.
Yeah, but wow. It's so monkey it looks like a cake. But it smells like a cake. A lot of. Okay, put a lot of. Okay, let's put here. Okay. Bigger. Make it bigger.
That's fine.
Yeah.
Another one.
Like here.
Don't touch.
Like here. Put it here, yeah?
Okay.
Is it going to be like this? Put it here. Not here. It's kind.
That's good.
Okay. So we're going to put, now it's my turn to put it. So I'm going to put it here. Wow, that's too big.
That's okay. She will eat. Big one.
Okay, now. Whoa, that's so big. I can put more.
That's okay. Amelia, leave it. You can put it in back. Yeah. Thank you. And please don't touch anything. And I
now
will.
Now we're gonna wait for 5 seconds.
Yeah, 5 seconds.
Then we're gonna wait for 10 seconds.
No. I will change. Okay, don't worry.
I won't touch it.
No. You guys don't.
We're gonna wait for 2 minutes.
Each side? Okay, each side 2 minutes.
Yes. Everybody, our pancake is done.
One side is done, another side is cooking.
Yeah, that side. But it is a little bit ready now. So we're going to put it in our bowl and we're going to try it out to see if it's good or if it's bad. So ear piercing fun, but don't be scared. Like that.
Ilya, you want to say anything?
Yeah. So if you're scared, then you have to be in ear piercing when you want. Then if you don't get an ear piercing, then you'll not go to grade 1.
Is this necessary to go to grade 1 ear piercing? Is it necessary?
Yeah, you'll just go on kindergarten. Not in grade 1, they were scared.
Okay, that's good. I think your pancake is ready. Okay, so we'll check.
So you put the maple syrup. I want to put the maple syrup.
Whatever you like.
It tastes good. Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah. It's like real pancake. We like it.